First, well, second fish of ice fish. Ah, it's a crappie. Nice one. I couldn't get him through the freaking hole. That sucked. There we go. That was quick. Maybe we'll keep this one. Yeah. There we go. First one to keep. Not a bad one. Not too huge, but there we go. Ice fishing today. See if we get some more. That's a big one there. There we go. Using small teardrop jigs. This is how you want to get them. That's a nice hybrid right there. I'm gonna get them on the ice. Nice. Nice. Flashers are so nice. You can freaking tell where you're at the bottom. Nice. Let's go. I still have my freaking bait, my little waxy. Alright, let's keep trying. Man, he came up. I didn't even get him on video. He just shot right up. Yeah, guys, he just shot right up. Like, actually, he was fighting. It's just like, it shot right up like he was going to jump. But there you go. I got another one here. Another nice bluegill. For ice fishing, this is really good, actually. It's a good sized fish. There we go. Well, guys, this is typical ice fishing. Ice fishing's like, you know, every 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you'll get a bite. It's nothing crazy. There's days where you kill them, and there's some days where you don't. And it's like a day like today. Every once in a while, you get something. But usually right before dark or sometimes morning or night. At night's really good. But the thing to have is one of these flashers. They're really nice. You can see what's down there. You can see where your bait's at. It's really nice to have. But I want to turn the GoPro off because it's really cold. And I want the battery dying. So I just want to tell you guys that. Look at that, guys. A bass. My hands are too cold to turn the GoPro on. Little guy. Get him back in, guys. Throw him back. I mean, I don't think he's legal anyways. Get him back in. Nice. There we go. I lost a nice crappie in the beginning, but man, it's a typical day of ice fishing. Yeah, there we go, little guy. Counts. Let me get him. There we go. And a keeper. Right before dark, they always like to hit. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. What the hell is that thing? Ooh. Yep, get him. Hit you in the freaking head from my little thing. There we go. I got my crappie back, guys. Nice crappie. Yeah, there we go. See, you never know what you're gonna get. There we go. Nice one there. Yeah, there we go. Nice colorful bluegill. There we go. Nice. Now our keeper. Getting pretty cold now. The fishing will be a little bit better, but it's nothing really crazy. Gonna get him on the ice. There we go. Nice. There we go. Another one. Right back to back. Nice. Actually, just throw some down there. Let's see if we can get them. I think there's... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're hitting now. Oh really? There we go.
Whoa.
Hell yeah. Here next day. Yeah. Get him back. Get him on the ice. Something's nice on here. I don't like this hole at all. Oh shit. Nice. Nice.
Nice pass for 25.
Yeah. Keep him?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, we're keeping him. Barely hooked. Look at that, guys. That's how you get the fish. Small oars, hopping around with different holes. That's how you get them. It's a good bass through the ice. See if you get any more. Nice bluegill back to back. There we go. Bass and bluegill. Look at that. Nice. Put them there for now. See if you get another one. Oh. Yay. About time. I actually haven't caught fish in a while. There we go. Nice. Nice. Pretty decent day. Nice bass, some bluegill, but that kind of nice crappie. Pretty good day. This fish was not hitting until I got more bait on there.
Really?
Yeah. There we go. Short fights, but they're just coming straight up. Oh. There you go. Another one. Nah. It's not really huge. He's something now. Throw him back. Yeah, I'm throwing him back. Ooh. Yeah. A little smaller, isn't he?
He's on the board.
I'm gonna measure this guy. Not throw him back. Ah, he's kind of small. Yeah, throw him back. Oh!
Whoa!
Another bass. I don't know. See, he might be tough. He's told keeping him. When you're on the ice, everything goes.
He's 12.
Keep him. Oh no, he's pretty decent. Yeah, he didn't feel that nice at first. He felt a lot too small. There we go. They're a nice keeper. Yeah, a little smaller one. Throw him back. Definitely insane. That one I lost was definitely a crappie. Alright. Basically, guys, ice fishing just basically a lot of patience, moving around, don't fish just one hole, bounce around a little bit. That's a lot of these fish cruise a little bit. These bluegill bass, crappie, perch, they cruise. But there's sometimes that you will get them in just one specific spot. But one of the most important things to have is this flash. I know sometimes they could be a little expensive. They're not crazy price, but it's worth the money. Actually, I think I have a fish on my screen now. Yes, I do. But they are worth the money. They are really nice. You can see what's going on, where your bait's at. But it's a really good investment for ice fishing. Plus, it's so fun to use. Like I have a fish. Oh, right there. I have a fish on. He can tell you where some fish. Ooh, that's a nice one there. Throw him back. He's not crazy big, but you can see where your lure is at. That's what's the most important thing. Is sometimes there'll be fish up in there, which you really don't realize. But get this one back in. Overall, pretty decent day. And with auger wise, we have a hand cranking auger. That thing's older than me. They're my favorite because you don't have to rely on propane, gas, or freaking electric. They're always work. You just have to change the blades out once in a while. But ice fishing, I call it running and gunning. Going to one spot, trying it out, and see. That's what my way. Tip-ups, I don't know. Tip-ups are not my favorite thing. I just like using the rod. It's so fun catching fish on the rod. But tip-ups are a great way to fish too. You cover lots of water. You fish for bigger game fish too. But I just like using the rod and jig. That's one of my favorite things to use. Really good day. And also, the sled is really nice to have too. You can put a lot of your stuff in too. But these 2 days were pretty decent though. Pretty decent days. Ooh, he's a little small. A little small guy. There you go. You get a lot of small fish too, ice fishing. But this might be one of the last ones of today. Don't be afraid to switch up baits too. But these things work pretty well. Yeah. There's a smaller guy. Where's the bigger ones at? Oh, a little bit bigger. Throw them back? Yeah, throw them back. What the hell? Yeah, I can't feel my hands right now. Pretty freaking good day. Really nice bass here. Really nice bass. Some nice bluegill. My dad caught a really nice crappie. He lost another big one, like how I did yesterday. Keep losing a big crappie. That's another nice bass. Really nice fish. All nice bluegill. My dad caught a couple. Pretty good day. Pretty good day of fishing. Hell yeah. Nice. So guys, a pretty productive day today and yesterday. Not anything giant, but that bass was really nice. Lost a nice crappie. Caught another crappie. My dad caught a nice one. Some decent bluegill, but pretty productive day for ice fishing. I haven't ice fished in a long time. The weather's been up and down recently, so it's like it gets cold and warm, so that ice isn't really safe, and the wind makes it hard to get on the water, well, on the ice. But yeah, but overall productive day using small little like jigs for these fish. I said tip-ups are really good too for like covering water, but we don't really have them, and they're really old too. So plus I just like using the rods better, jigging, because it keeps you more occupied. It's fun using the flasher. I just love it. And flashers, like I said, are a great investment for ice fish. I love them. They're worth the money. They're so great, and they're so fun to use. They're so fun. It makes ice fishing even more fun. But overall, great day, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Later, guys.